Hey everyone, welcome to another Market Minute. It's April 2021. I want to give you a quick update on what's happening in housing here in Orange County. So, as you know, it's crazy, the market's so hot, but what I want to spend time on today is where do we go from here? What's happening moving forward in the real estate market? So, what we're seeing this year is the typical real estate market cycle. The numbers are different, the demand is higher than last year, the supply is much lower than last year. These things we know, and that's what's creating such a hot market, also because of the interest rates and so on. But it's the same cycle, meaning we've entered spring, so from now until the end of summer is when a lot more listings are going to be coming on the market. And the demand is going to be higher because people want to move from now before the new school year starts, end of August, beginning of September. So we're going to see a lot more homes coming on the market. We're going to see increased demand these coming few months. What we've also seen in the past few weeks is the interest rates have gone up quite a bit, and they're expected to go up even more by the end of the year. We're hearing it could be between 3.5% to 4% interest rate. So this is gonna slightly dampen demand, which is good. It's gonna cool the market down a bit. It's still gonna be a seller's market. So if you're thinking of selling, the sooner the better. But if you're thinking of buying, don't say, I'm gonna wait until the end of the year, because it doesn't mean the prices are going to go down. It doesn't mean things change all that much. It just means maybe instead of getting 30 offers on a listing, we're going to get 10. So you're still going to be in a multiple offer situation. You're still going to be competing with other buyers. So it's certainly good to act now and take advantage of the lower interest rates. But if you're a seller, the sooner you sell, probably the better off you will be. And what I want to share with you today, this chart, it shows the different price points in Orange County, the distribution of inventory in each price point, and the demand for that price point. So as you can see, from 0 to 750, that's where we have more demand than listings. Same thing all the way up to about $1.5 million. That's where it kind of balances out. Above that price range is where we see a tilting of more demand, more supply than demand. So this also puts into perspective, depending on what your property or what you're shopping for, what you can expect. So if you're a seller in the lower price points, you know your property is going to sell relatively very quickly. The normal, just everything that we've been saying. If you're in the higher end and you're buying, for example, you have a bit more leverage. Yes, the market's still hot in that price point, but hotter than previous years, but you're not necessarily talking multiple offers. You're not necessarily talking property selling in 3 or 4 days. So this just puts into perspective, depending on if you're a buyer and a seller, or a seller and in which price point. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to help. And if you're a buyer or if you're thinking of selling your home, we'd love to chat with you, commitment-free consultation, and give you how we can help you in whatever you're trying to achieve in real estate. Have a great day. We'll speak soon, everyone.